All right, Thomas here, Stronger Lawns. Figured I'm not the only one in the lawn game who's ever had to replace a hose. So my truck's out there. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. I got two hose reels on the back. So today I got some new hose in, 600 feet of it. And I want to show you how it comes with a raw end. So you have to trim that in to get it even, and how to put these connections on the end. I was going to go to a shop and have it crimped and everything, but it's not necessary. So place I ordered my hose from, as you know, different place, but nonetheless they sell it as well. SprayerDepot.com. They gave me this 6D9. I have a 3/8 inch hose. So this is a hose barb, as it's called. Goes inside the hose. Most people are used to putting clamps on the outside. But with this other piece here, this is the, I don't know, it just says Foster D7. So with that, you don't need to, because the way this goes, let me see if I can do this with one hand. One goes inside the other, and you would just screw it on. So pretty much what happens when you screw it on, it creates its own clamp, one on the inside of the other. So I was sitting here, hose just got delivered today, so I said, let me try this out. So what you have to do, take this off. You can take the barb off and just start with this piece. So I'm going to trim this. This is obviously not even. I'm going to take my scissors there, trim it so it's nice and flush. Then you might have to bend it a little bit to make sure it's uniform. And from there, just put this over the end and start twisting it in as deep as you can get it inside here. You can see it's threaded on the inside, so that way it'll give you a little bit of a fitting. And if you can get it a little bit more than halfway down there, you're doing pretty good. And then you can just take the hose barb, the barb part of it, I put in my pocket, and then put that on and twist that all the way down until it's tight, lock it in pretty good. If you want, I guess you could use thread lock if you think it'll matter that much. But after I put it on, I just pulled and prodded and made sure it's not going to come off. So I got two hoses. This is the previous one I did, and I bent, pulled, and did everything I could to try to get this off of here. And at first, before I did it a second time, it would not, it came off pretty easy. So I knew I had to go in and give it a try and do it for a second time. All right, so let's see here. I'm just gonna take these garden shears and just cut it nice and even. These bad boys aren't the sharpest in the world, but they cut straight. Got a little piece on the bottom there. And then from there, I can't hold this with my chin, so I can see this other piece. Let me pause this and cut off that little lip that's hanging. Okay, so I got that piece, the little end cut off. So next, sliding this over the end, and I'll start threading it on. Now, you're crazy if you think I can do this with one hand while filming. I'm gonna have to pause this again so you can see and take it from there. So hold on. All right, so I got it on. Screw it down a little bit. Trying to get some light in there so you can see. You know, the hose is near the back end. It's definitely not to the middle or even the front quite yet. But you really, after this point, you got to start pushing and twisting pretty good. Just wanted to get at least that far so you can see. So from there, you take your barb. So right there, yeah, that's fine. Take your barb, get that on. And I know it's actually pretty decent. If I start feeling resistance from the barb and it's about midway down in there, then I know when I tighten it all the way down, it should be pretty good. So before I even grab my pliers or a wrench and start tightening anymore, from here I'm just gonna pull. You see how easy that came off? So I know I got to put it in way, way deeper than that. It's not good enough. So that's definitely what I wanted to show you, so that way you don't screw up when it comes to that. All right, so let me work on it again. Okay, so I put it back on, got to thread it down a little bit better. So what I did is use my 3/4 inch ratchet wrench. So that way, make sure I have it on the right way. So that way, as I had it over the corner here, I could actually drive the force down as I was tightening. And I got it down a good little bit deeper there. So from there, I can tell if I got it deeper because when I put this in, it's already feeling that resistance from the hose going over the top. All right, so I just used my vice grips with that same socket wrench. And it's way deeper in there, not coming off at all. All right, so like I said, want to do a little video to help some of us newbies out, to help some people out in case you get new hose, even if you're a regular homeowner and you're wondering how am I going to get it on there, you're trying to save some money. So that's how you do it. If you got a 3/8 inner diameter hose, you use that 67 fitting and you are good to go. All right, so Thomas Strong, Stronger Lawns, hopefully helped somebody else out like it. I'm hoping so. And all right, you guys have a good day.